Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to host your website using Hostinger. To visit Hostinger website, you can use my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/hostinger, link in the description. If you use my link to get your Hostinger account, I can help you with everything related to Hostinger, WordPress, or affiliate marketing. Just drop me a message at ben@bensexperience.com and I will help you using email or video calls. From this top menu, click on hosting, then web hosting. Scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, Hostinger offers you three hosting plans. The premium, which I recommend for beginners with starter websites. With this plan, you get 100 gigabyte of NVMe storage. The NVMe is faster than SSD. You also get the ability to install unlimited free SSL certificates. With this certificate, you can get the HTTPS instead of just the HTTP. This way, your website will be more trustworthy by your visitors. After that, you get the ability to create professional looking email account. For example, ben@bensexperience.com, my email is hosted on Hostinger. You also get weekly automatic backups and a free domain name. If you want a little bit of more speed or a better uptime, you can go with the business plan. This plan gives you more storage space, more monthly visits, and also instead of weekly backups, you get daily automatic backups in order to not lose your work. You also, what makes this plan a little bit faster is this free CDN. CDN is a technology that makes multiple copies of your website and store them in different data centers around the world. This way, your visitor from Europe, for example, will be connected to a data center hosted in Europe. This way, the browsing of your website becomes faster. And if you already have an established website with lots of traffic, you can go with Cloud Startup. You get more monthly visits, free everything in the business plan, plus the a dedicated IP address and priority with customer support. Let's say that you are a beginner and the premium plan is enough for you. Click on choose plan. Now select the duration you want to subscribe for, 1 year, 2 years, or 4 years. With the 4 years plan, you get an additional 3 months for free. Also, the renewal price per month is affordable or cheaper compared to just 2 years or 1 year. After that, you can fill in your personal information. But since they are optional, you can skip them. Now verify that the total price is correct. And after that, fill in your credit card information and click on Submit Secure Payment. If you want to pay with PayPal, just select it from here and click on Submit Secure Payment. Now click on this PayPal checkout button. A little window will pop up. After you log in to your PayPal account, select the credit card you want to pay with, click on Agree and Pay. You will be redirected to Hostinger website. For this question, you can skip it like that. Now click on Create a new website, or you can skip it if you want. Now claim your free domain. Fill in your domain name idea. In my case, I went with benstestinghostinger.com. Click on search. As you can see, my domain idea is available. So click on continue. Now fill in your domain name details like your first name, phone number, email address, and your address, and also country. Now select your server location. It is better to select a location that is near the majority of your website traffic in order to get faster loading speeds. Click on Finish Setup and wait a moment. You are now ready. You can go to your control panel. And this is how to buy a hosting from Hostinger. One last important step in order to not lose your new domain name is to confirm your email address. Just go to your email inbox, open the email from Hostinger, and click on the verification link. Now click on the green button, and this is how to verify your email address to not lose your domain name. Now, to host your website on Hostinger, you have two options. The first one, which is uploading your already developed website from your computer, or building your website using WordPress. To upload your already developed website, it is simple. You need two options. First, upload your website, just like that. Click on access files of your website. Make sure to upload your website inside this public HTML folder, and here click on this little icon called upload. Click on file, then locate your website compressed file of your website from your computer and click on open. After the upload is completed, just click on the file and hit unarchive. This way your website, your uploaded file will be uncompressed and your website will be online. After that, if you already use a database to upload your database, just to go to databases, hit management, create a new database with a database name, username, and a password, and you will, after that, you will see it added here. Click on enter phpMyAdmin next to your newly created database, and from this top menu, click on import. Again, locate your website database on your computer and click on upload on open. After that, click on this import button and it will be imported just like that. If you want to host your website on Hostinger using WordPress, just go to website, then auto installer. Click on select under WordPress. Now fill in your website credentials like the title, your email address, your WordPress administrator username, and a password. Now click on this next button. Always use the latest WordPress version for better security, and from this drop-down menu, select your website language and hit install. And now your WordPress website is ready. Click on this little link to access it. This is your your website hosted on Hostinger. To access your WordPress administrator panel, just click on this admin panel button. And this is how to host your website on Hostinger. If you learned something out of this video, don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe.